What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds, where this should be a fairly quick video. I've got a few cars that recently sold, and I've got a lot of people asking, like, what's been going on, Randy? Where's the Mercedes 500 SL? Did it sell? I don't know. What about the Passat? Did it sell? What else we got here? The 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. You guys forgot about the convertible Crossfire that we picked up that we had delivered from Texas? What happened to that car? Profit? Loss? You know, it's a long time we answered those questions, but I'm going to be perfectly honest with you guys, as I always am. I'm only doing this video because the weather is supposed to be getting really bad. They're talking like rain, thunderstorms, and then snow. I don't know what the weather's going to do, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to be out there getting stuff done on cars, so I want to make sure you had something to watch in the meantime. We're going to start with the 2005 F150. Did you guys know I sold the red F150 that we just bought? Yeah, the truck that I bought for a personal vehicle, I ended up loving it so much, I wanted something newer. And I know that sounds like it probably doesn't make a lot of sense, but my fiance would tell you the same thing. That truck was so nice, riding, driving, and towing. I was like, if it's this nice now, I want something newer because I bet it's going to be a whole lot nicer. So we settled on that on the 2011 F150 EcoBoost. So we sold the red one. Let's see what we got in here. For the red one, we had total investment of $26,1265. We paid $1,550 for it. Was the winning bid. $2,080 out the door. So about $2,100, close to $2,100 out the door of that $26,1265. So the rest of it was whatever parts put in, coil packs, etc., oil change. We sold that for $3,500 just a few days ago, which made an $887.35 profit. Now, it is very important for me to make sure you understand, I never bought that truck with the intent of making a profit. Not ever. That's not what I did. That's not what I was doing. I bought the truck because I really thought it was a nice looking truck, and after I had it, I had to have something nicer and newer, which is why I went out and got the 2011 F150 EcoBoost, and I am totally in love with that truck. Video revenue brought in $359.52 from the first video, $658.53 from the second video, and $323.68 from the third video, which gives us a profit of $1341.73 from video content, plus $887.35 for the truck, brings the total profit to $2,229.08. So that takes care of the 05 red Copart F150. Next, we're going to talk about the 2005 Pontiac Crossfire. The 2005 Chrysler Crossfire. This is the convertible, the one that when it got here I was so upset. It had pieces falling off. It had a key stuck in the ignition. The top was ripped. The back window was falling out. Yeah, let's talk about that one right now. And the transmission wasn't shifting in that one either. We won that car from McAllen, Texas, for $2,100. The out-the-door price was $2,563. $2,563. So total investment into that, total investment into that car, $3,592.06. We sold it for $1,800. $1,800, which brought us to a loss of $1,792.06 loss. Now, video content, okay, $607.91 on video 1, $523.52 on video 2, $543.54 on video 3, which came out to what, $1,737.97 minus the $1,792.06 loss, left us with a loss of $54.09. I hate hearing that even after video revenue, I still made a loss, because it is very rare to take a loss after the video revenue. But it happens, and that was one of those cars, sight unseen. I got carried away, I got excited, and it came back to bite me. Last but not least, we're moving right through this, okay? Flip this around here. I got a feeling this is going to be another loss. What do you think? The 92 Mercedes 500 SL. What did we pay for this thing? we paid more than we should have just because it was such a unique car. I had to have it. The Mercedes SL was $1,430 out the door. We had $1,653.77 in it. $1,653.77. We sold it for $700. That's a $953.77 loss. Video number 1 did $623.94. Video 2 did $491.96, which brought the video revenue to $1,115.90 minus $953.77 loss, brings us to a profit of $162.13. That's not very good. So as I said, the video was short, sweet, to the point. There's your numbers. Hopefully this answers the majority of your questions about the cars that have been missing in action. And as for the Passat, it is up for sale. We're hoping to get around 700. It's probably not going to bring 7. It might bring 5. I don't know. So I don't remember what we paid for that, but I think after video revenue and after selling it, I hope there's a profit to be made. Hopefully we make something on the Passat. One last thing on the Passat. I had a lot of you commenting that I had the timing 180 degrees out. I want to assure and reassure you the timing was not 180 degrees out. Guys, I have been doing timing belts since I was a teenager. I'll be 40 next month, okay? I am no stranger to timing belts. I'm no stranger to timing marks. Trust me, those marks were 100% on point. It was at top dead center. Now, while it did look like the crank notch may have been a hair off, it was definitely not off enough to cause it to not run at all. I did check the codes. We didn't have any codes. Guys, it had bent valves. Most likely it was running and driving down the road at a reasonable rate of speed with the engine moving fairly quickly when that belt ripped apart. And when it did, the valves clashed with the pistons and it was game over. And that's all there is to it. So I just wanted to reassure you, I had the timing marks right. It was not 180 degrees out. 100%, I know that for a fact. But if you think I'm wrong, feel free to go down to Weird Beard Auto Sales and you can pick that car up for $700 and you can just turn the timing 180 degrees out and it should run. Good luck, right? Hey, I'm challenging you. Take the challenge, prove me wrong. Then we'll figure out, I'll publicly come out and admit that I'm an idiot. All right? Look, I hope you enjoyed the content. I know it was a short video, but please, if you enjoyed the content, give it a big thumbs up. If not, give it a big thumbs down. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Auto Auction Rebuilds. I'm going to get out of here because I'm going to try to get some things moved around and get the Corvette in the garage before this nasty storm hits. And I will hopefully win something this week to show you guys next week. Stay safe out there, everybody. I will catch you all very soon in the next one.